In this video, I will show you how to release your game on Google Play. I assume you already know how to export a game for debug. There should be a command that you can type in your terminal called key tool, and you'll want to generate a key. So open up the directory wherever you want to generate that key and open the terminal there, or you can just cd and copy paste the path in there. So to generate the key, use this command here. So .jks is the key store file, and alias is a nickname. Key_alg is the encryption algorithm. We're using RSA here, and fidelity is for how many years will the app still receive updates. If I remember correctly, anything above 25 is okay. After you run this command, it'll ask you to provide a password. Make sure you write it down. When you type it in, you won't see it on the screen. It will appear as nothing is changing, but it is changing, so don't worry, just type it in. Then it'll ask questions about your name, your last name, city you live in, and those kind of stuff. After all of that is done, it'll ask you if those information are correct. And now you have a JKS file. So that's the key store. Now you want to go to Godot, you want to go to Project, and install Android build template. Once finished, you want to go to Export, Template, Android, and scroll down to Gradle and tick that box, use Gradle build. And we want to export the format AAB. And scroll down to key store. This is the JKS file, so you want to put in your alias and of course the path to the JKS file and your password that you wrote down. And it'll need a unique name for the app. Sometimes the automatically generated name doesn't work. I'm not sure what's the rule for this. If you do know, please comment below. So now you want to export and make sure the file is AAB and uncheck debug. So now you want to go to Google Play console and apply for a dev account. Now after you got in, create your first app. Fill those boxes. You want to go to the left dock. You want to find testing, internal testing. After you got there, you go to the top right and click create new version. So now I'll walk you through the Google Play signing process. I don't know the exact detail, but here's my understanding of the signing process. If I made any mistake, please comment below. So first, you want to sign your AAB with your upload key. After you upload this signed AAB to Google Play takes over and sign the APK inside with the app signing key. Now the signed APK will be available to download on Google Play. So what was that key store that we just generated? Remember I told you that Google will sign the APK. So where does Google get the signing key? The first upload key that you signed your AAB with, that becomes the app signing key that Google will use. Now you upload the signed AAB, you pick a version name, and next step, fill all those boxes. And now go back to internal testing. We want to go to the second tab, which is in the center of the screen, and you want to invite your QAs via email. The email that they use Google Play with, or maybe yourself. Your QAs do not need dev accounts. And the list names are just for your management convenience. You'll scroll down a bit, join test file link, open that link as a invited QA, and your QA should see some warning text. Look for the install on Google Play link. Download it on Google Play. And that's it. I only just got into the Android side of things, so I might have made some mistakes in the video, so if you do notice some, please comment below and I'll update the pinned comment. If you have any additional tips or warnings that you want to provide, you can also leave a comment. This has been Josiah. Click the buttons and whatever. Have fun, make games.